Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Toyota Camry 2008 onwards. So just have a look at the remote beeper and you'll be able to see if it matches up to yours. Now the battery type for this one's a little bit different and it's not a very common one. It's a CR1632 and today I'm going to show you quickly how you can change the battery. Okay, now first you take the beeper here and you'll notice there's a small eject button. Push that in while putting some pull pressure on the pin, much like a grenade, and expel. Now I want you to have a look here and you'll notice there's a little groove where the key came out. And I want you to put the key in there and give it a twist until you crack it. You might have to give it a little jimmy and then crack. And that'll pull apart here. Now we take out this chip. I'm being very careful as we maneuver that one out, and that'll expose the battery. Now pay close attention to which way the battery is sitting. So this way the brand is on the top with the writing. So I want to match that up to how I put this in. So we slide that out by pulling back on the teeth and popping it out. Then we take the replacement.
Wait, are you on him?
This one may need cutting. Safety first. Pull it out. So we want brand up. Click it in. Making sure the teeth are catching and holding down the battery. So you might need even to push them in a bit. Now we put it back down the way it was. Line up the beeper again. Slide the key back in. And there you go. Done. And that's how to change the battery.